Hey everyone, today we're going to make the seriously satisfying Vanilla Vodka Creamtini. Alrighty, so with this one we've pre-chilled our martini glass. We've also got a little orange wedge. We've gone around the rim of the glass and we've stuck that on there to help the sugar stick and give it a nice flavour. Anyway, we're going to pop the glass over to the side and we're going to mix this one up in our shaker today. We've got half a cup of ice in our shaker already. We're going to add 45 ml of our vanilla vodka to the big side, followed by 15 ml of our Cointreau, 15 ml of our simple syrup for a little bit of our sugar in there, and 15 ml of your cream. Now you can use a couple of different creams. I think you can even find like a vegan kind of soy cream or whatever if you want to keep this one lactose free. We're using light cream today. Anyway, 15 ml of that. Just pop that straight in there. Now we want to shake this guy vigorously because we want it to be nice and frothy. So we're going to give that a shake. Alrighty, now once that one's shaken up, I'm just going to pop the top. Awesome. Grab your little strainer, pop her in, just because you don't want any of those ice cubes to fall out. Just going to pour that. Look at that. Yum. Alright, let it over the side. Now, get a little bit of chocolate. I got some chocolate with some marshmallow pieces in there. I'm just going to grate it just over the top of that guy. Awesome. And I just have one little ingredient. Now, don't know if you have this at home. It's kind of a weird little, I don't even know what it is, like a little rinder or whatever. But way do you do it? So that way. It cuts really cool little rinds out of it. Yeah, there we go. Alrighty, I got it. Right here. Get one of those out. I don't know. I don't even know. A couple of little bits of what, little orange. Just fan that out, yeah, like that. Get rid of the gross bits and drop it on top there. Look at that, it's just sitting right on top. Now that is your vanilla vodka creamtini. It's absolutely divine and decadent. Cheers, guys. Enjoy.